clearly within the maker movement. Prasad would like to draw you in. Clearly Ford is thinking about maker movement and open innovation a great deal. How do you see the maker movement and its meaning for you?
Well, thanks, Lou, and certainly thank you all. It's been great sitting here and listening to each one of you. And I think it's sort of a really fascinating time that we're at right now, where the tools for innovation have been so rapidly democratized once again. You could say 25, 30 years ago you had the coming together of the internet and laptops, and now you have flat screens that allow for all kinds of spontaneous crowd participation. But what we're seeing here is the tangibles coming together now in incredibly democratized ways, whether it's the ability to sit and print something out and shape your own wedding. How much more personal could that get? Or whether it's to be able to create your own shift knob. It might be a guy called Zach Nelson, who is one of my colleagues, who actually created a shift knob for a car. That's actually fairly cool. It's a haptic shift knob. You can Google it, check it out. But the point really is someone can walk in to a space, think of something, and get on the network, get on the internet, get both tangible tools and all the tools that you need to be able to shape your idea, whether it's using a digital form or whether it's having a conversation with someone who's on the other side of the planet, to be able to go deliver what you have from an idea to a pretty good working prototype, and then it goes beyond that. I think this is really an incredible period of time where one might, speak from a car maker standpoint, you might say you have half a dozen automakers in the world, or you might have a dozen automakers, big ones, depending on how you count this. But I think there's a billion little automakers in the world, and growing. And by these I mean little a. This is anyone who can automate making. And so imagine the network effect of billion coming together. I use the word billion because there's a billion cars, trucks, and buses licensed on the planet. There's a lot more off-road and many two-wheelers and other vehicles. But we're at a really fascinating time where, in some sense, sitting here in Detroit, it's particularly touching and sort of moving, because this is where a lot of this began. This is going back to Henry Ford and our learnings. Henry spoke about making the desirable affordable. We can now make that desirable entity in your mind affordable and democratic. Can be democratized.
It's interesting to